Thank you so much guys for an immense response on the last video. As I had updated you what all things should you prepare for your interview, what all things you must do, you must not do, what are the mistakes you need to keep in mind, and you people have given it so much love. So here is the part 2 of the video in which I am going to tell you that how to prepare yourself for an online interview. So first I am going to discuss most important elements that you need to keep in mind before starting your interview. Number 1, check the internet connection. Technical errors comes up, but if it is an online interview, you should check it before and keep your mobile phone either on airplane mode, or it should be on silent so that you don't get disturbed in between the interviews. Number 3, notifications of your laptop should be muted so that it doesn't irritate you, or you are not diverted during the interview. Test your camera. If it is if you need to clean it or whatever you need to do, if you need to put an additional camera, please have a look at it in a proper manner. Charge your microphone. Check out your headphones or earplugs, whatever device you are using. Charge your laptop aptly. Also keep your charger nearby. Please log in at least 5 to 10 minutes prior. And one of the most important part, keep the second internet option ready with you if there is some technical glitch. The camera position of your laptop must be at your eye level so that when you see on the screen, it seems as if you are looking at the person rather than looking on the right side, on the left hand side. Your upper body and your face should be clearly visible during that time. Please note it. Sit at a place where there is good lighting. If required, please put additional lights such as ring light or any other medium that you have with you. Keep your background simple and professional. A plain white background, yes, will work. Plain wall will work. Any single color paint will work. But it should not be much gaudy. It should not be much loud, and dark colors are not preferred much during the interview. So please keep a check on that. If you feel that you don't have an app background, you can use the application backgrounds which are provided either on Google Meet as well as on Zoom, that you can replace it with your current background and only your face and your body will be visible. Online interview, so how should you dress up? I have given a big detail about your clothing in the previous video and you people have seen it. So in this video also guys, please remember, even though it is an online interview, your entire upper body is visible. So it should be properly trimmed. If it is your beard, yes, it should be trimmed, mustache set. You should wear a watch. You should not wear any over exaggerating accessories. A simple formal shirt is going to be the best thing. And yes, please wear trousers. It is not that you will wear shorts and you will like only the upper part will be visible, because wearing the outfit automatically boosts up your energy. So it gives you more happiness. You remember whenever you buy some new clothes and you are wearing it, you dress up, you feel confident. Am I right? So that moment, it will really give you a formal environment and you will be into it. So please be ready with it. Eye contact is must. So you should continuously look at the camera and your own image at times so that you can see how are you looking at that very moment, because it boosts up the energy of the person sitting next to you. Your body language matters a lot. Sit straight, don't crouch down. Your eyes should be properly visible. You should not lean down at one or the other place. Don't look away repeatedly. You should not be at a place that you are again and again checking out something on your laptop or your mobile phone. Please don't do that. It gives a negative impression. Speak clearly. If required, use a mic so that your voice is clear, whatever is transferring to the concerned person. Don't mumble, don't fumble, don't get panic. It's not a part of interview. Obviously, in my previous videos, I have given you multiple tips and tricks about how to prepare yourself for interview. please have a look at those videos. I'll attach their link in the caption below. Now, what if the internet breaks? You don't need to panic. Check for a stable internet connection if possible from your end. As I have already told you, that be prepared with the second backup option for your internet. If it works, great. But still, if there is a problem, simply call the concerned person, whosoever you are connected with, like prior to the interview, and please inform them the problem and discuss the app time which can be suited for the next time. Keep your CV ready with you. If required, use it for your reference. Along with it, also remember to keep the original copies of your mark sheets, your experience letter, and XYZ, all the things, whatever you carry during the physical interview. Here are the list of 10 most important questions that you must prepare for interview, and questions are here. Avoid doing these mistakes during the interview or prior to it. Number one, not checking the internet connection, not opening the links which have been provided before the interview. Joining late, it gives automatically a negative impression about you. Looking at your mobile phones, checking out your screen again and again. During the interview or even before that, please inform your family members that you are going to be in an interview, so they should not make any loud noises. Don't sit in a casual setting or a messy room. It gives a negative impression about you. Check the lightning. Poor lightning automatically shows you down. Bad audio connection, no clarity of voice, you are not selected for the interview. Please don't read out the scripted answers. This is not something an interviewer is expecting from you. So these are the few things that you need to keep in mind for an online interview. In my next video, I will be coming up how to be ready and prepared for a telephonic interview. So let's get together in my next video. Bye bye.